Hi, this is TJ and welcome back to my new video. And today I'm not gonna make a tutorial on Mastercam. I just want to show up you something. Yeah, I think some of you will be interested in. Okay. Okay, and this is my treasure, the cutting tool. Yeah, that's why I call it cheetah tool. Okay, and take a look on this. This is what I want to show you. Um, this is the one of tool I can get here with very good price. Compare you buying from the factory. Most of them come from Japan and Korean. Okay, let's take a look. Take around. I got some flat 10 mil for aluminum here. Korean brands. Over there is also a Korean brand, but it's a local. Yeah, for local use. But the quality is very high. It is very high when you compare to the cheap Chinese make cutting tool. Yeah, when you test it on your machine, you can see the big difference. Yeah, and I can find a lot of good brand here, like you see Kyocera. This MU is from Korea, and you can see I have very nice insert here. This is not a cheap Chinese insert, because now the Chinese make a lot of fake insert, and they make all the stamp. You look all the stamp with the original insert, so maybe you cannot decide which either the real one. So but you look at this is the very old insert box. Yeah, I can find a lot of these things, so you can make sure it's high quality and Japanese makes. Like for example, I have some Nikon insert box. You can also find some tag on the box here. Of course, this is not a Chinese made. Also, this is a very old insert box. I think it's from Mitsubishi or Kyocera, not sure. Yeah, this is serrative. I have serrative here. That means this come from Kyocera. I can also have a box here. Insert. This is the Sumitomo. Yeah, it's the Japanese brand. Very good inserts. In Japan, sometimes they clean up the factory, so a lot of unused tools are sold out. Yeah, and some dealer here, they can get a lot of this thing, and they sell to you with very good price, high quality and very good price. Like this, I have a box of insert here for the solid carbide boring bar. You can see very nice one and Japanese made. This is a Kyocera solid carbide boring bar. You can see this is the insert at the tip. We also have a coolant hole here, very nice. This is around 5mm in diameter. Okay, take a look here. I can also find some special tab, like a long rig tab like this. This is the M stick tab, and I think not sure where it come from. I can see the brand here, maybe a local Japanese brand. Oh no, this is an OSG tool. Yeah, I can see that the brand here. This is from OSG. Very nice tab. You can see long reach. I can find some kind of like this tab. This is the use a tab from OSG. Now let me try to focus on the tab so you can see the brand. This my phone is not focused so good, but this is an OSG tab. It's never been used before, but this has some side up rust here on the flute. This for deep tapping, because you can see the the flute, the cutting area is very short, so it can go to the deep hole and reduce the friction. So this is some kind of deep hole tapping, deep hole tap. Okay. And one very cool thing I can find here, you can see the carbide, yeah, the solid carbide tap, very nice and very rich. You can use this to tap the hard to cut material. This is a spiral fluid tap, solid carbide, DM10 tap, very heavy, and this also from OSC, very nice make. Okay, so some of the cool thing I can find here, and if you are interested in any one of them, just feel free to contact me. Okay, I accept shipping internationally. One of other cool tool is the drill. Yeah, this is a carbide drill with the coolant hole. It's about 6 or 6.5 millimeter in diameter, so you can see the coolant hole here. Oh, sorry, it's a little bit difficult to see, but you can see the coolant hole here. Very nice drill, never been used, and from Japan, local make. Okay. Oh, beside that, I can find some other tool like yeah, this is also a solid carbide drill with coolant hole. You can see the coolant hole. Sorry for my best, it cannot there. This is the coolant hole. This is one of the rewrite tool from Goering. The tool I rewrite, so you can see the length is a little bit different, but it's rewrite and also recoded, so it's very nice. Rewrite and recoded. This is some kind of them. You can see solid carbide drill with coolant hole, high quality from Goering and very cheap price. Okay, and I can find a lot of cool things like yeah, solid carbide lathe holder, many kind of insert. You can see this is maybe an 8 or 10 millimeter solid carbide boring bar, very rich, so you can rig to the deep hole and reduce the vibration a lot compared to the steel. This is steel lathe holder, and this is solid carbide. Is much expensive, but I can find it's very good price here. They also come with a coolant hole here. You can see this is true coolant, and the coolant go out here. This is very nice tool for deep hole, very rigid. Yeah, there's many sides of the solid carbide. You can see from here to here. This is the from carbide, and we have a small tip here from steel. They attach the steel head to the carbide, and then they insert the mount here. Most of the carbide insert, most of the carbide boring bar, they make like this. From here to here, they make from solid carbide, and from the tip here, they mount a steel head here, so you can mount the insert. And this one also come with a coolant hole. This one also, this is the 10 millimeter diameter boring bar, solid carbide, very nice. You can go very deep, and don't have to care much about the vibration because this is solid carbide. Yeah, there's also a solid carbide too, a rewrite one, but recoded, so it's very good. But this one doesn't have the coolant hole. Okay, I have some I can find some other drill here. This is a solid carbide, but in small diameter, about 4 mm. This is Sanyo tool manufacturing co limited. So you can see these tools are from Japanese, very high quality. I also have a solid carbide here. This is a Japanese brand. I cannot read the brand, but you can see we have a lot of Japanese here. Yeah, I will take this out so you can see. Yes, this is solid carbide. Don't have the coolant hole, but you can see. Take a look on the flute. It's very difficult to focus on the tool. This is a special type of flute, so it creates a very high polish, very high quality surface finish. Okay, this is a new design of the cutting edge. Oh, sorry, they make the margin very special, so it can create a very smooth finish. Sorry, I cannot focus on this. I can find a lot of T-slot cutter here, like this one from high-speed steel. Or if you like a carbide, I have something for you here. Yeah, I can find also the T-slot cutter here from Carbide, very small, and this is from Korean. Yeah, very nice one. And if you like a cheap and very cheap price, I also have the tool from Chinese for you. This is the Chinese tool from China. The quality is not so good, but acceptable if you don't have any special requirement on the surface finish. They can do the job, but not so excellent. So if you want something very cheap, you can get some of these. I think this is a 10 mm diameter and around 3 diameter. That means around 30 diameter. 30 mm flute length, and this about $15. Yeah, $15 for one piece. So if you're interested in the cheap ammo, you can contact me for this one. This is from China. Yeah, they are cheap, but if you don't have any special requirement on the surface finish, it can do the job. Okay. And I also have a local ammo here, and this from Korean. This is not from Chinese. This one from Chinese. This one from Korean. And if you want to find something like this, me tutorial or some kind of indicator, I can find for you. Also very good price, and to make sure they are Japanese made, they just use it. Not sometimes we can find some brand new, but most of them are used, but the quality is also good. Okay. I don't remember if I have introduced you this one. This is the adjustable chamfer mill. You can see we have a scale here when you can change a dial here. We can change the angle of the insert, so you can make a 10 degree to 80 degree chamfer. Very nice tool and very high quality. This from is the flex mill from flex mill quarter from a brand of Japan. They call the knife cut. Yeah, and this also a nice tool from them. This is a indexable spot drill, also a chamfer, but the insert here, there's only one cutting edge. That's what I don't like on this, but You can see this is a cam lock system. The screw is mounted from the other side, and this is an eccentric cam system, so you can push the insert here. Yeah, this is some of the tool I can get for you here. If you are interested in any tool, just send me a message, and yeah, I can find you, and I give you the price. So if you like the price and if you love the quality, so just feel free to let me know. Okay, thank you. Goodbye for now. I forgot to tell you that I have an eBay store. I have a store on eBay where I sell my cutting tool, but this is the beginning, and I don't have so many tool on my store on eBay, but in the near future I will upload my tool to the store. So if you want to buy from eBay, you can go to eBay and go to my store, visit my store, and you select the right tool for you. But when you buy from eBay, the cost is a little bit higher because I have to pay the fee for the eBay and their PayPal. So the cost, if you buy from eBay, is a little bit higher or than when you buy directly from me. In this video, you can look at the video description below, and you can see the link to my eBay store, so you can click on this and find the right tool for you. Okay, thank you.